Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your licensing agreements with LegalZoom, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin upgrading your licensing agreement with LegalZoom, visit the LegalZoom website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Licensing Agreements section. Review the available options for licensing agreements. Select the type of license you wish to upgrade. Carefully read through the terms and conditions associated with that license. Click on the Upgrade button provided on the page. Fill out any necessary information in the provided forms. Be specific about the changes you need in your licensing agreement. Review your entry to ensure all details are correct. After confirming the accuracy of your information, proceed to the Payment section. Choose your preferred payment method from the available options. Complete the payment process to finalize your upgrade. You will receive a confirmation email with the details of your upgraded licensing agreement. If you have any questions or issues, contact LegalZoom's customer support for assistance. Ensure you keep a copy of your new licensing agreement for your records. Review your upgraded agreement periodically to ensure it continues to meet your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.